What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to evaluate the limit using L'Hopital's rule. I have two examples here. The first one is limit of x cubed over e to the power of x over 2 when x is approaching infinity. That's when you sub it there, it's going to be infinity to the power of 3 divided by e to the power of infinity over 2. That's going to be basically infinity over infinity, which belongs to the intermediate form, and we need to use L'Hopital's rule to find out the answer to the limit. L'Hopital's rule is saying that it's going to be equal to the limit of derivative of the numerator, which is 3x squared, divided by derivative of the denominator, which is 1 over 2 times e to the power of x over 2. When x approaches infinity, again it's going to be infinity over infinity. Now we do it one more time, another L'Hopital. It's going to be 6x over 1 over 4 e to the power of x over 2. Again, it's going to be infinity over infinity. We do it one more time. That's going to be limit. Derivative of 6x is 6. Derivative of 1 over 4 e to the power of x over 2 is going to be 1 over 8 times e to the power of x over 2. When x is approaching infinity, that's going to be 6 over infinity, which is going to be equal to 0. Let's see another example. It's limit of e to the power of x squared over 1 minus x to the power of 3 when x is approaching infinity. When you sub it there, it's going to be e to the power of infinity squared divided by 1 minus infinity to the power of 3, which is going to be infinity over negative infinity. It means that we need to use L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of numerator, which is 2ex squared. Derivative of denominator is going to be negative 3x squared. When you sub infinity, again, that's going to be infinity over negative infinity. We do one more round. 4e x to the power of 2, negative 6x. When x is approaching infinity, that's going to be infinity over negative infinity. We do one more time. That's going to be the derivative of the numerator is 8 times e to the power of x squared divided by negative 6, which is going to be equal to infinity when x is approaching infinity. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.